I'm going to share with you guys how you can enable dark mode in your Windows 11 operating system, okay? For those of you that are having eye problem, okay, and you would like to be working in dark mode, you wouldn't want your system to be always bright whenever you open folder or whenever you open anything on your system, and you would like to be working all the environment in your system to be in dark mode, which is very good for your eyes. It's quite very simple, okay? I'm going to show you guys how you can enable the dark mode in your Windows 11 operating system. And if you use this method, you can also do that in your Windows 10 operating system. Now, what you need to do is just go to your system. Once you go to your system, type setting, locate setting. Once you open setting on your system, the next thing you need to do is just go to personalized. Once you click on personalized, you can see background, but you have to go to color. Once you click on color, you guys can see light. Choose your color, light. Once you click here, you see dark mode. Once you hit this dark mode, you have to wait for some few seconds and your system is going to change to dark mode. You guys can see it has already changed to dark mode. Why this is good is, let me take it back to light mode. If you take it back to light mode and open a folder, the folder you opened in your system is going to be in light mode. You can see all the backgrounds here are white. But if you change it to dark mode, this is what is going to happen. Every part of your system is going to change to dark mode. Okay, it's going to turn dark. Let's open this folder. You can see this folder is now dark. This is quite very good if you're having an eye problem or if you're not very comfortable allowing the white blue light to get into your eyes whenever you're using your laptop or your PC. Okay, so apart from this dark mode, okay, there are a lot of things you can do here. Transparent effect, you can toggle on the transparent effect, and apart from that, you can still decide to change some of the colors in your system, okay, by clicking here. Let me click here. You can see whenever this button now is now orange color, all the write-ups here are now orange color. If you go to your folder, and you can see up here is also orange color. Some of the few places in your system while you're working, you can see right by your left here. If you still turn it to green, you can see is now on green. Okay, some of the few places on your system will also, these write-ups are now in green. So from here you can do some minor changes on your system and make your system to look the way you want it to look. Okay, so there are custom colors. You can still decide to change your system to any kind of color that you want. All right, so down here you can still do some more things like show accent color on the following surfaces. Okay, start bar, blah blah blah. Okay, this is your start bar. You can still decide to change the color. Let's click on it. You can see the color is now green. All right, but if you put this off and click on the start bar, is black. So you can decide to make your start bar anything here. Okay, you can see here title bar and window borders. You can still decide to change to any color that you want. Now let me change it to red. Let's go over to our start tags bar and see how it looks. Now it's now red. Okay, click here. You can now see, once you click here, you can see your start tags bar has changed to red. So you can change your system to dark mode and do some setting, beautify your system with the color that you prefer. All right, so this is quite very simple to do. Go to your setting and open it, personalize and locate color. From color, you can change here, you can change background, you can change anything to any kind of color that you want. Darken your screen as well. So let me take it back to light mode and take this off, light mode, and the system has gone back to the default color. Now we've taken it back to the light mode, and apart from the fact that it's still in light mode, you can still decide to change these colors to whatever you want. You can click on red and allow it for some time. You can see these write-ups are red. So while it's white, you can still decide to change the write-ups here and some few other things in your system to red. You can see these edges are red. I don't know if, okay, this is not red. I don't think this is going to change if all right, so I think you have to turn this on and Okay, this must be on dark mode before you can be able to change start taskbar. Okay, so yes, you must have to change it to dark mode before you can change this start taskbar. So that is all I have for you guys in this video. Now, if you feel this information was helpful to you in any way, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuiken Kingsley, and on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I come up with updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you would like to be seeing much of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.